For action to avoid collision, the action taken should be positive. This means that it should result in the reduction of the risk of collision, but should not aggravate it. Avoiding action should be made in time. This implies that the assessment should be done well in advance for quite some time and from a great distance. The avoiding action should not be taken at the last moment. Avoiding action should be taken at an earlier stage, at the right time, so that there is no confusion. Be alert and keep track of all targets. The aspect during daytime and the navigation light aspect at night may not appreciably change for small alterations. The alteration of course should not involve successive small changes in course. Any alteration of course made must be large so that the other vessel notices it and knows that you have taken action. As explained earlier, all actions taken to avoid collision have to be accessed after taking them. These actions should diffuse the dangerous situation. The passing of the vessels should be observed till it is confirmed that we are well clear of the other vessel. When the ships are in busy region or going in and out of harbors, they encounter lots of traffic. Here, the ship may not have set a course, and the speed may not be sufficient. Under these circumstances, it is better to stop and watch the situation as it develops. After assessing the situation, then move cautiously. If the time is not sufficient to assess, it can even ring astern propulsion for safety of vessel.